One of my more polarizing traits is that I'm relatively unflappable. I get it. When I look out in the world, I understand that I'm an eccentric, a little unusual, and I'm not, what do you say, what's the word, unflappable. I am relatively unflappable. I'm not easily persuaded by public opinion, concerned about the judgments of others, positive or negative. And I think some people do love that about me. Cold today. I think some people do love that about me. It's harder today. And I think some people hate that about me. Say, like, why does he conform? Why doesn't he play along with the rest of us? Oh, it's frozen solid. I gotta get out of here. It's too cold. The truth is, when I learn to sit and cool in the river, and I want to get out, and I'm cold, and I'm suffering, and I can still say something coherent to you, it's completely directly related to the trait of me being able to go through my life and live as an eccentric bird, unflappable. All right, time to get out. I'll show you how I do it here. You gotta kick and then roll. Kind of distribute the weight. And life is great.